Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to show you my electrical panel collection. These are all old electrical panels. Let's start with this Westinghouse one. This here is a Westinghouse 200 amp main service disconnect. Now, as you can see, it has a main 200 amp main breaker, and it's got bus bars, okay? And there's two lugs on the bottom and two lugs on the top. Now these two lugs on the top stay energized all the time. These ones at the bottom are only energized when the breaker is on. Now, as you can see, very, very powerful spring inside there. And it does take quite a bit of force to turn it on and off. Now the bus bars are in good condition. As you can see, they are a little bit rusted, but you can see they're shiny. The lugs look good. Let's move on to this GE. This here is a General Electric 200 amp main service disconnect, just like that other one. But you can see the GE bus bars are a little bit different. You can see the corrosion oxidation on there. And these, yeah, so. And you see the bonding strap. This bonds the grounds and the neutrals. Now, let me show you. There it is. General Electric 22KA. And you can see the main lugs. Alright, let's move on to this Square D. This here is a Square D sub-panel bus bar. 100 amp. You can see it comes in a bonding strap. The ground bar, neutral. Well, it's bonded, so really it's all one. But you've got your bus bars coming down. You can see. Alright. Let's move on to this. This here is a Cutler Hammer CH 30 space panel. This one here, that's the main. There's this here's got 125 amp main feeding us up. It had it on it. Now, this Cutler Hammer one is in good condition except for the bottom because the bus bars are a little corroded. But the way these breakers hook on is there's a hook. You see that little clip? And the way you do this, just like that, easy. Very similar to Square D, but as you can see, these are good breakers here. These, I mean, they still make them today. These, not that these are old, but these particular brand are, the mechanism inside of them is very reliable. The only problem is that they just get corroded. If you live near salt water, you're gonna have problems. Now, this here is a General Switch Company circuit breaker panel. Okay, this one here has got a main. That right there is very strong spring in there. And there were some mismatched breakers in here that I took out. But you can see it's got bus bars, and the bus bars down here are a little melted. But it's got a Murray. There's that. Here's another Murray burned up. Square D Homeline, 20 amp tandem. Somebody has carved that out to make it fit. What you're not supposed to do. The tandems go at the bottom here. The tandems go on the bottom. You don't ever put them up here. Here is a 30 amp Thomas & Betts. Show y'all that. Show y'all something cool. Bet y'all haven't ever seen that before. That is actually what's inside of a circuit breaker. Now, here is a Gould ITE. If I can get it out. Man, that thing's in there tight. This is an ITE Gould These ITE Gould breakers are, they will fit in a Westinghouse panel. If I can get it to, it doesn't, see, it's messed, something's messed up with it. But, watch. The ITE Goulds are pretty good. And these breakers are pretty stiff. Trying to get them in and out. They usually you can slide them in and out. Here's a Square D Homeline 40 amp 2-pole. You can see it. This one here was getting ready to burn up. That's why this panel here had to be replaced, because these bus bars were broken, and somebody had put this 50 amp one had burned out. But so there's a Gould TMB, and these are just all the original. Oh, there's a Square D breakers that were in this panel. Now let me show you. Let me see if I can get one of the originals. Here it is right here. That's an original General Switch Co. breaker. So that's my circuit breaker collection. I plan to add to it. I'm going to get a bigger sheet of plywood to mount these on. But that's it. Just wanted to show y'all that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.